Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's a delight to have you here. Marie is my name. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? On this channel, I do skin products review because I'm a skin enthusiast. I love hair, I'm a hair enthusiast. So consider subscribing. Then touch up the notification bell also so that you can get alerted whenever I upload a video. Today I want to talk about how to use rose water for your beauty therapy or for as part of your beauty regimen, because rose water is fantastic for the skin. I'm going to let you see my rose water and how I use it, but before I get into all that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button.
Cause I know who I be. It's I want to live inside of me, and I can do anything.
Here is my bottle of rose water. I use rose water. I find it very beautiful, very necessary part of my beauty routine. Now, whatever your skin type, there are different skin types, and I've done a video on that. If you have not yet seen it, I'm going to link it up. But there are lots of skin types, and rose water will be of immense benefit to you if you are interested in taking care of your skin. Whatever your skin type, you can add the rose water as a part of your beauty routine. You can use rose water as a face toner. You can either prepare your own rose water. You can go ahead and buy a bottled one, like I bought a bottled one. You can use rose water as a face toner. How do you do that? You moist your cotton pad with the rose water and use it to wipe your face. It's also a mild astringent. You can put rose water on a cotton bud and use it and dab it all over your skin. Use it to wipe your face because of using it as a toner. It's a good face toner because it helps to cool the face and cleanse the face and give it the proper moisture that it requires. Rose water has mild astringent properties that helps to clean the pores and clean the skin, making it look fresh, smooth. That's the kind of skin that you want. So using rose water will be of immense benefit to you. It tightens the pores. Part of the reasons why you should consider using the rose water is because it tightens the pores. Rose water helps to maintain your skin pH level and also act as a barrier against excess oil production of the skin. Rose water is anti-inflammatory. It helps to reduce redness from the surface of the skin and helps to reduce the appearances of wrinkles. It helps to hydrate. Rose water helps to hydrate and revitalize tired looking skin. So using rose water on your skin is actually a plus. Rose water hydrates the skin, moisturizes the skin, and help it to look fresh. So even when you're at work and you're feeling tired, spraying a bit of rose water on your skin, on your face, will help it look fresher. Rose water helps to heal scars and wounds that are on the surface of the skin. It helps to remove blemishes. Rose water strengthens the skin and help to rehydrate and regenerate new skin cells. The rose water smells so beautifully. It's also a mood enhancer. It helps to remove stress from you when you spray the nice scent of because it has this alluring, beautiful scent. It leaves you feeling cool and feeling stressless because of the healing nature of the scent of the rose water. Let me show you how I use my rose water. Like I told you that this is my own bottle of rose water. I'm going to be showing you right now how I use it. This is my empty bottle. It's already washed. My empty bottle is already washed, so I'm just going to be putting the rose water in there. water. The scent already fills the room. The aroma, the scent that the rose water has, it's so soothing. It's so soothing. I feel so good right now just having the scent all around me. So now I'm going to spray it. You can even use, you can spray rose water on your pillow at night just to help you have a good night's sleep. And then you can spray it on your face. It helps to remove those wrinkles because of the moisturizing properties. So even after your makeup, you can use rose water as your setting spray. I just used mine. So it will not spoil my makeup a bit, and that is how I use my rose water. I want to thank you for watching my video today. You may consider using rose water. It's a beautiful thing that you should have.